Hey guys, my name is Josh and I have my assistant over here and we're going to show you how to make a DIY Rangoli. First, okay, so we have two colors. We have orange and purple. So for today we're just going to try and make a nice design with just those two colors. So for us, we're going to take our first main color and put it in the center and we're going to try and make a circle. So to do this, we're going to dump out a bit of powder. Then we're going to take a nice flat object. We're just using something from like a can lid or something. And just press it on top to try and flatten it out. And you see how it's made a nice little circle there. If it doesn't come out very nice, you can try and add some more powder or try and round it out with your own hands to try and make it a little bit nicer. It's very fine powder, so it will go everywhere. So just be aware of that. Okay. Then we're going to take our next color. This is just purple, and we are going to do some very simple like dots around the side in like a clock formation. So you can see we're doing that. Couple more. So now we have this really nice looking design right here. So let's try and make it a little bit nicer by adding some small decorations, such as some lines and some other things to clean it up. My partner is electing to use a popsicle stick in order to help him smooth it out and make the lines just a tiny bit clearer. You can also use a fork of some kind if you want to have some like patterns in your design. Yeah. So we're gonna add a couple lines with the orange. Pretty cool. So he's just using a popsicle stick in order to clean them up a little bit. You could even go ahead and use like a pencil and make a design in them, like a spiral of some kind. Just scatter it out. So in this case, we could actually use this pencil to draw out lines, see? Just like that. And if you want to, we can do that with all of these different mounds in order to get them to draw out. Let's do one here. Alright, so we're going to do that for everything. And my partner can use a fork and he can show you some of the other designs that you can try and do. This is very delicate powder, so you have to be a little careful with how you're doing it. So he's got a fork. As you can see, it kind of makes a nice little ridged pattern. And he's been able to make this nice little like flower of sorts. Same thing. It's really not that hard. If you can, all you have to do is make some pattern using the forks or the common tools in your house, and you can make a pretty cool looking design. So if we it doesn't really have to be meaningful. He's also got a spoon here, and he'll show you in order to flatten out some of the see? In order to flatten out some of the mounds, and then you can do even more with them. So we're gonna just continue this. If you always make a mistake, if they're not mixed, you can just push them back together with a popsicle stick of some kind or a pencil, and it will just clean it nice and it'll clean it up so that you can just give it another try. This one another try, I think. So you want to try and make a bunch of like patterns. So this one has a bit extra, so we're gonna probably clean it up a little bit and then we'll try it again. This one has a little bit extra powder, so it's a little harder to maneuver, but we're just gonna try and make some overarching patterns that will carry through. So we have kind of these petals almost coming in to the center, and then we can have a couple more of these yellow bits going out to make it look a little bit nicer. So try that instead. First, you're going to use a popsicle stick to kind of make a line between them. And we're going to use that fork, pull it out. Just like that, we have a design. It doesn't look half bad. Especially because we only have two colors. And the entire point of it is you could actually do stuff where you could have one ring of a color and then another ring. It's all about the pattern. So if you can make a pattern that looks good, then you can make something that'll look pretty cool in the end. Thanks for watching.